Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that is more well known for their nest than the bird itself. The Bayawever. Breeding males have yellow forehead and crown, a dark throat and contrast with yellow underparts. Non-breeding males and females are similar except they are buffy colors. Found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Note the dark streaks on the back and the broad buffy eyebrow on females. Juveniles resembles female but lack the female's obvious eyebrow. They are best known for their hanging retort-shaped nests woven from leaves. These nest colonies are usually found on thorny trees or palm fronds, and the nests are often built near water or hanging over water, where predators cannot reach easily. Their calls are like other birds have a habit of making use of abundant Bayawever nests. Locally named Ruk Wadu Kurulla, meaning carpenter bird. I have seen Bayawevers many times, and one of the places I have seen them is Bayawever. We stayed in a hotel next to a giant paddy field. And the naturalist at the hotel explained to us the behavior of the Bayawever in a lot of details. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video in another 2 days' time.